Who's that? Say your name. Say Megan. Can you say
Mommy.
Can you say Megan?
Mommy.
Can you say Megan?
Mama.
Can you wave at yourself?
No.
Can you give me 5?
No. Hey, Mommy.
Megan. You need help?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh, you got that one. Can I see that one?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then you can put it up. Like that.
Yeah.
Does that work?
Yeah.
What are you looking for?
Crayons?
Go get it.
Go get your crayons. Oh, your toy
What toy is it?
for her hair, maybe? I don't know.
Can Daddy see? Oh, yeah, that goes in your hair. You want it in your hair? What? Yes? You want this in your hair? You want it on your wrist? On your hair? Okay.
Tell Daddy put it in the back of your ponytail.
Alright.
So it looks pretty. There you go. Oh, how pretty.
See?
Woo!
You feel it? You like it?
It's so pretty.
You want to see it? Watch, ready? Alright. So, there it is. On the back of Megan's head. Okay?